Blessings everyone, welcome back to Elite Jamaica. How y'all doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Now, the story is making today's video. We've got a video of an individual caught on camera kidnapping a female. I think that was somewhere in Manchester. Now, this is urgent. If anyone sees this vehicle or sees this person, which I'm gonna put on the screen, you're asked to call the nearest police station because family members have not heard from this female since she was kidnapped. Alright, the other story is we see where the JCF, that's the Jamaica Constabulary Force, or the Popo, they're out in their numbers at the Supreme Court. They're protesting for late fees owed to them by the government. Late fees which are owed to them in overtime work. Alright, them say if they not get no money, them not work. Alright, so all of that and more coming up right after you give the video a big thumbs up. Now we see where the police are out in their numbers. They're protesting for overtime fees. They want their money. They worked overtime and they haven't gotten paid. We know why doctors, teachers, and the police officers have faced strike or protest when they get paid, when they are the most important civil servants in the country. Jamaica need to do better. We really need to do better. Guys, here's the footage of the protest. Now take a look and let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below.
So right now we have the officials arriving, the federation team arriving. So yeah, so let's everybody's cheering. Get them team, get them team. Get them team. Get them general. Get them.
The next story making today's video, we see where an individual was caught on camera kidnapping a female. I think this is somewhere in Manchester. I'm not sure, but take a look at the... I think this is somewhere in Manchester. I'm not sure, but take a look at this video, guys, and also a message that was sent from a family member. And they haven't heard from her since she was kidnapped. Really need to get this female back alive. So, guys, until we meet again, here in Elite Jamaica, y'all stay blessed. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. It really helps the channel.
Hello, sir. We are do. We are do.
Let me see.
We are do.
She have my phone and I want to give me phone now.
Oh, we are do.
Hello.